Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. And right now I am doing the FlyLady zone cleaning from zone 1 to zone 5 and documenting my journey along the way. All right, it is Monday and we are officially starting zone 4, which is the master bedroom, master bathroom, and closet. If you have been watching my series, you know I already had to jump into that closet because I realized I couldn't find any of my shorts for summer. I needed to do a closet refresh. So I did do time in that closet. You can catch the video right here if you haven't seen it already. But I'm glad to be back in zone 4 because an area that needs some TLC is my master bathroom. And I'm just gonna pull up the FlyLady's app. We're gonna review what can be done, but I have a feeling that I'll be spending at least two, 3 of my zone days just in that bathroom alone. I'm hoping to also do another little refresh in the closet because really I just had a mission of finding shorts, which I did. I'm wearing them right now. But I just kind of want to go over it one more time because I didn't get to touch the whole closet, which in 15 minutes, that's just something I have to accept. I'm not gonna finish every zone, but what all of you keep reminding me of is don't worry about it. When the timer is done, be done. You'll come back to the zone next month and you can start where you left off. But we're moving into the master bathroom. And this is right now towel central because we have all the towels from swimming in the pool this weekend, drying in there, towels from showering, drying in there. And then my space just has probably too much stuff. So we're going to start in 15 minutes in there and we're just gonna see how far we get. Again, it's probably a few day project, but we're gonna see, all right? Then with that being said, I took the weekend basically off. I talked to you guys a little bit, gave you where we're at, kind of fitting for a weekend where I wasn't doing anything. So we're basically picking up probably a little bit messier than you left me the other day. After I do the bathroom, today is the first day that I am home without my son in probably like 9 months. But he's not gonna be home today. One, I miss him terribly already. So just the cutest thing is before he left, I was having him give me extra kisses so that I could put him in my pockets. So I had him when I needed him because when I missed him, I could have one of his kisses. And he said, "Don't worry, Mom, I'm bringing a kiss launcher. So I'll just stand at the camper and I'll make sure I launch kisses home to you." I just love that little boy. Anyway, I miss him terribly, but I did kind of take excessive advantage of having the morning to not work. It's 2:30 and I'm just getting going for the day. I drank coffee in bed. I caught up on a TV show that I had started watching but never got to finish. I cuddled with the dog. I've had a very low-key morning. Now I have a giant to-do list because I'm trying to get tons and tons of stuff done, but you know, I just kind of let myself take the morning off. The early afternoon off. So I'm gonna do my 15 minutes. This is the first thing I'm actually doing for the day. I'm going to do my 15 minutes in the bathroom. I'm going to then go work in the kitchen, try and get at least one room done. Basically, I want to do a whole house clean and I had thought I would do it today because I would just be like, let's go, but I wasn't. So I'm gonna do the bathroom and I'm gonna do the kitchen and then I might call it a day and finish it all tomorrow morning in regards to doing like the weekly home blessing. But I'm gonna just kind of give myself today to do nothing except for just these few tasks. And I will tackle the big to-do list starting tomorrow. No resting, back up at 6 a.m. workout. I am gonna do my yoga today because I sleep better. I am really loving doing the yoga. So I'm gonna get my yoga out of the way, my zone done, and I'm just gonna go clean the kitchen, which means dishes, counter, getting it all picked up. And I'm probably gonna go and watch some TV again and relax and hydrate, drinking my water, and call it a day. Let's get to it. All right, so let me show you where we're at. This is going to be where we're starting today. We've gotten a little out of control. I got a pile of clothes, which shouldn't be there. The cabinet. My stuff. And then we go over here and we've just got like towels and swimsuits and toys, and the shower also needs to be cleaned, which I assume is on our list of stuff to do. So we're gonna set 15 minutes and we're gonna start in the linen part here. So surprisingly, our list for the master bathroom is not that long. Wash area rugs, straighten up makeup, straighten drawer cabinets, clean shower stall and demold, and wash shower door. So for me, I would have to add on the bathtub, but we're gonna work on straightening the cabinet first. So one thing I have learned about the app, you can add things that work for you. This is just her list of where things started. So I'm just gonna add bathroom closet. And I'm gonna take off area rugs because I don't have area rugs in the bathroom because Lollipop, our beautiful kitty that I love so much, she used to pee on all of them, and that's why she is medicated. It was a behavior thing, not a I'm sick and I need a doctor thing. It was a I'm just bored and I'm gonna pee on your things that are on the floor thing. So we have not had area rugs or bath mats in any of our bathrooms for over 8 years. So yay. All right, let's get to it.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this in two.
This lower cabinet started off so easy. Literally less than a minute to 2 minutes, getting all the towels refolded, moving some curling irons and hair dryers that just needed a new home so that they weren't sharing that space. And then I moved on to the lower part of this cabinet, which was filled with travel stuff. We've got travel bags, jewelry rolls, all of these things, some Tupperware things I had earned. I don't need to hold on to them. They got decluttered. I had several other little makeup bags. I only need 2, so I kept the 2 I thought were the cutest. It has this little eyes and lips on them. I thought they're cute. It looks like it's just cute. So those are the ones I kept. Got rid of the other ones, and then I went through all the little travel trial size things that had expired and weeded them down. I am not traveling nearly as much as I used to because I used to travel for work quite a bit, but I'm not doing that. I'm traveling with family. I don't need to have a full arsenal of makeup. So I can get rid of quite a few of these things. So I just kind of focused on weeding out what I didn't need anymore, what I would use, what I won't use, and everything got contained to that blue container, like little shampoos. I also have very old expiration dates. So all the little travel toothpastes, everything, they got tossed. And that nice box, you hit a certain age and you just hold on to boxes that are nice, but the box just had to go. So it's out of here. These little silicone reusable bottles for traveling, I realized that they had kind of dried out. So they all had like little bits of lotion or shampoo, conditioner kind of stuck and dried in there. So I tried to scrape them out. That wasn't working really good. So I decided just to, get as much of the chunks out as I could with a paper towel. And then I just decided to soak them in water overnight because I checked my timer. I was running out of time and this just wasn't a valuable use of my time. So I decided I'm going to toss them in the water, let water do the trick and soak them out.
Couldn't do it each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing.
After I finished my zone clean, it was time to clean that kitchen, pull it together because it's, again, I've said it before, it's kind of the central zone of our home. I hate having it a cluttered mess, but it gets to be a cluttered mess, especially coming off of our fun family-filled weekend and my morning off. It's time to clean it up. So in reality, it took me probably 15-20 minutes, and I got the kitchen completely all ready to go and made myself a little snack. Overall, it was a really great Monday. I did not get everything on my to-do list done, but I did do something for myself and just took the day to do my own thing. With the list that I have to tackle the rest of the week, this was a great way to set up the week for success. So I tidied, I snacked, I watched reality TV, and I have no regrets because tomorrow a big project gets started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is about to get really good. The rest of this, the next several videos coming up, you will see some huge transformations with that 4-room switcheroo. Stay tuned.